So, a very good afternoon, you guys. Hello, YouTube. And we are standing in front of the Husqvarna, and this is the Scrambler edition, or you can say the SWAT Pillion. So, Husqvarna has adopted the frame of a KTM and the engine as well. But there you see, that is the edge of the Husqvarna or the logo. Now these are the barrel of a gun, because as you know Husqvarna is also making guns. It was making guns before and now I don't know, but it was making guns. So this is it of the bike. Now I love it from the behind. If I show you, the behind looks amazing. Now it's a dual tone of a retro and a classic look, as you see. Round headlights and integrated LEDs. ओवरऑल बाइक बहुत अच्छा है, सही है एकदम. It's a 250cc UWP upside down forks like the KTM 250 Duke, the monoshock as well as like the KTM Duke. So 250 written right here, and let's quickly start it up. Now the meter says kill switch, so here we press the kill switch. Bike is in neutral. ABS written right over here. Let's start this bike then. Oh wow. So this is what the firing is like of the Husqvarna. A pedal disc at the rear and the disc at the front as well. I like this kind of neon treatment over here on the radiator grill, as you see. It's looking awesome. बहुत ही तगड़ी लग रही है मतलब. एंड एक्चुअली मैं विद पिलियन चलाने वाला था, बट विद पिलियन इज़ गोइंग टू कम टू मी इन अ फ्यू डेज. सो अभी तो फ़िलहाल स्वाट पिलियन ट्राई करते हैं. सिटिंग हाइट इसकी थोड़ी ज़्यादा है मेरी आपसी से, तो लेकिन इट्स काइंड ऑफ कंफर्टेबल. So let the ride begin. इंजन बहुत स्मूथ है यार इसका, बहुत मतलब एकदम रिफाइंड इंजन है. देयर नो काइंड ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस. नहीं तो मेरी आरसी में हाँ 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 मैन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस. ओह वाओ. So it's showing low fuel level. I don't know why. They said they had fueled it up. Oh amazing man, amazing. पिकअप तो बहुत सही है, बट अगर आप 390 चला रहे हो एंड आफ्टर दैट यू जस्ट हॉप ऑन टू 250, भाई थोड़ा इशू तो आएगा पिकअप में. बट देन आफ्टर ऑल इट्स 250cc मैन, कम ऑन, व्हाट मोर कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट. So Husqvarna bring its model in India now, but if you know, Husqvarna was established in between like 1903, so it's a very old company, even older than the KTM I guess. Oh, wow, this is another level man, this is another level. बहुत बेहतरीन चल रही है यार, ये बहुत सही है. लेकिन ट्रैफिक एज यू सी, सीट हाइट इसका कुछ ज़्यादा ही है. सो इफ़ यू आर लेसर देन 5'6", तो आपको चलाने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत होगी. बट बहुत इट्स काइंड ऑफ वेटलेस, इट्स काइंड ऑफ नथिंग लाइक अ फेदर. तो आपको चलाने में तो वैसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. टू मैन्यूवर इट इन ट्रैफिक इट्स क्वाइट क्लिकेबल, इट्स क्वाइट ईजी. बहुत सही लग रहा है यार. बट माई KTM हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस एंड अ लॉट ऑफ लैग. जो बोलते हैं हम कि फर्स्ट से सेकंड में जाओ तो बिफोर 3000 4000 इट्स टोटली काइंड ऑफ डेड, तो ज़्यादा नहीं मिलता पिकअप. लेकिन आफ्टर 6000 हाँ इट्स अमेजिंग. ओह लवली मैन, lovely, lovely. This is kind of lovely. तो आगे स्ट्रेच मिलेगा शायद. लेट्स सी. Now it has ABS. It has retro circular kind of speedometer, but everything is digital in this. So it's good. नाइट टाइम विजिबिलिटी बहुत अच्छा होगा. बट सच बोलूँ तो ये बाइक मुझे पीछे से बहुत it's like an alien mobile from behind, but from the front it's kind of retro, it's kind of classic, it has a classic in it. तो बोल सकते हो कि बहुत ही क्लासिक भी दिखती है. एंड आफ्टर ऑल इट्स अ स्क्रैम्बलर, तो चलाने में तो बहुत आप लंबे लंबे टूर्स में आ सकते हो इस पर. द इंजन इज नॉट हीटिंग अप. लेट्स जस्ट now the first gear red lines all the way till 40-45. oh wow, this is awesome man. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है मैं किसी ऊँट पे बैठा हूँ और घोड़े की तरह उसको भगा रहा हूँ. इट्स जस्ट लाइक द सेम फीलिंग. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. सो इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ हीटिंग अप बट नॉट ऑन माई लेग्स. आई एम सीइंग हियर ऑन द डिजिटल ऑन द मीटर. सो इट्स हीटिंग अप अ बिट. तो आगे शायद एक स्ट्रेच मिलेगा तो वहाँ पे अपन ट्राई करेंगे थोड़ा भगाने का. ट्रैफिक यू सी यार, ट्रैफिक में तो क्या चलती है. oh this kind is awesome man. This beast is awesome. तो I have ridden this before but मैंने कैमरा पे कैप्चर नहीं किया था. so that was a kind of bumpy roads with potholes and all. तो वहाँ पे एक मुझे एक काइंड ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द हस्कर ना. तो इसका जो बेली है दैट यूज टू रब दी स्पीड ब्रेकर्स, उन पे ये बहुत जल्दी से चिपक जाती है. oh it's lovely man, it's lovely. it's fun. But like I said, if you are owning a higher cc bike than this, and then if you try to just भाई ये तो कमाल की है यार, बहुत सही बात की है. So I have no words right now because I am so busy in riding this beast. बहुत ही शॉर्ट स्पिन ले रहा हूँ मैं. और why I'm riding this is a question mark, but will be answered soon. Let's take a U-turn and here we go. oh it gets to 60 like this. so 0 to 60 maybe around 4.5 seconds. That's kind of quick for a 250cc. and brakes are like, भाई मेरे को लग रहा है मैं बहुत प्रो लेवल की बाइक चला रहा हूँ. that kind of braking system it has, and also the ABS works very fine. oh that gear shift, boom, the sound is like it's the whistle of a turbo, not like but similar. बहुत सही है, बहुत सही है. It's competition to the 250 yeah guys, really. Now if you ride a 250 Duke and then this, you will feel a quite of resemblance in both of them, or maybe one. तो ड्यूक में वाइब्रेशंस होंगे थोड़े बहुत, but this doesn't has any kind of vibration in it, and this is for you to mount your bag on it. your saddle bag तो पीछे लगता है, जो आगे बैग लगता है अभी आप समझ जाओ ना. I'm not getting the word for it, but it's my verdict bro. This is a missile, come on. It's very smooth. It's like the silencer fitted on a gun. बहुत सही है, बहुत सही बात है. It's kind of quick. It's kind of grunty but it's kind of nimble at the same time. It's agile, man. I just love it. I just love it. तो पहले मुझे लग रहा था it couldn't beat the KTM Duke, even the 250 because earlier I've also ridden the 250. लेकिन it was a BS4 compliant and that had some kind of vibration in it. But this is kind of smooth, man. This is kind of smooth. I just love it. It feels that richer effect in it. Feels it. You get it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Now, if you want to flick it around in traffic, man, this is going to end up everything in the traffic. It's going to eat it. I mean, you in traffic. If you are a kind of new boy in the town riding this beast on, man, you are finished. You're going to just love it. And if you are able to control this beast, you are going to end up happily. But if you are not, trust me, it could slam you in and out. So, बहुत ही जल्द I'm going to even ride the Vitpilin. Vitpilin are also available, but they are going to make it available for me in a bit of days. The 350 in front of me. I'm sorry for you, boy. 350 आजकल मतलब ऐसा हो गया है कि मतलब कोई भी 350 ले रहा है. Come on, classic is like, oh, I see the Honda Highness. तो उसका भी बहुत जल्दी we'll try to get hands on that bike too. And man, this is awesome. I just loved it. I just loved it. So the WPs are like very confident, upside down, front and back. I just love it. There is love it in every sentence I am saying because it feels like one. ये बहुत मतलब इसका अलग ही लेवल पे अभी see now I'm on the second gear and I'm like 16, 17 and it doesn't even flinges, you know, it doesn't even flinges. And अगर मैं यही अपने RC 390 पे कर रहा होता तो भाई वो तो 20-30 पे ही दम तोड़ देती अगर मैं सेकंड में हूँ. 20 पे भी वो she's kind of तो लेकिन it's a heavy cc bike than what this is. It's a 390 cc at last and but this is kind of smooth. This is kind of smooth. I can feel the smoothness in it. It's quick, it's smooth, it's grunty at the same time. Oh man, I just love it. बहुत मज़ा आया मेरे को बाइक चला के. You know, I had a bit of problems with me in my head, but as soon as I rode this, man. And it's a kind of attention grabber, you know, with headlights. Oh man, it's lovely. It's lovely. It is lovely. Wow, it's more smooth. It's more smooth. बहुत smooth है ये, बहुत. If you have money, go and buy this, man, rather than the Duke 250, so-called Duke 250. Now I'm at the showroom and let's neutral. Oh. I've just on the headlights and the headlight is kind of awesome. What more can I say? Now that is the noise of the fan, but it's not as that of my RC390 as it's a 2016 model, but still now I'm going to swap it with the 2020 or 2019 model radiator fan maybe very soon. So that's all. This was a short video on the Husqvarna SWAT fill-in. Like I said and like she said, this is kind of crazy. Till then, ciao guys, see you on in another video. And I love that cross section of the tire, very confident, very nimble, very agile. I just love it. So till then, see you in another video. Ciao, bye.